Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back with lesson number 14, that is city transport. Let's have a look at today's objectives. Students would be able to identify different types of transport, explain how we use different types of transport. What is a vehicle? This is a new word, I know, but what comes in your mind when you talk about vehicle? Yes, a machine with wheels used by people to go from one place to another. Types of vehicles. Now, dear students, I am going to tell you about different types of vehicles. What? Some vehicles are coming in your mind. Yes, you can call out their names. This is a truck. This is a bus. This is a motor scooter. Can you name some more? Start thinking. Train, auto rickshaw, and airplane. Now, today's home task is you have to name some vehicles that you see on the road. And what is a vehicle? Write the answers and send me on fsabin06@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on 0302 9861 702. I will be waiting for your homeworks. Bye bye.